Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for watching this short video. Today I'm going to show you how to get $200 off a DreamCloud mattress plus get free shipping. So the first thing you want to do is go to this website, couponqueso.com. When you get to couponqueso.com, what you want to do is you want to look for the search bar. As you can see on a desktop is right here on the right hand side. And in the search terms there, I want to type in DreamCloud. I'll hit the search button and it's going to pull up the article or the post that has the discount. I'm going to click on that title and I get to the post here and I'm going to scroll down to the bottom where you're going to see here a coupon that you have to reveal. So I'm going to click on that blue reveal coupon button, and what that's going to do is that it's going to automatically apply the $200 discount to my cart. As you can see right there, I can see it was originally $15.99. Now it's $13.99. And if we add to cart here, I'm going to click add to cart, and now you can see here on the subtotal $15.99, the coupon discount is negative 200, so that's a $200 discount, plus you get free shipping. So that's the way you get that discount. Another way to do it would be to just go directly to couponqueso.com/DreamCloud, or you can go to the Coupon Queso website to do the same thing. So that's how you get $200 off a DreamCloud mattress plus free shipping. So I hope you enjoy the savings and take care.